Hi everyone, it's me, Tara. Welcome to my channel. Um, I've been doing several videos lately on my daughter's hair and washing, comb, and all that. So today I'm gonna do just a quick tutorial on how to interlock your hair. So I have the tool which you will need. You can see there, and I also have this tool. This is a crochet tool where you're able to just put the hairs in. No makeup on today. Got bumps and all type of stuff going on. Anyway, don't worry about my face. You're here for the tutorial, not my face. But yeah. But how you guys doing today, lovelies? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you have a happy new year. And I'm starting my new year off with doing a quick little tutorial video for you guys, because some people don't have an idea or have a clue on doing their own hair, especially in this COVID. And I think it's important for people to have an idea how to, if you have locks, how to maintain your hair and make sure I already make sure you're looking good. You know what I mean? Even though you're looking good, even though you're at home and you just chilling or whatever. But some people work and have jobs, and some people just like to look nice. So with that being the case, I'm gonna do this tutorial for you. So as you can see, I have done the other parts of my hair already. If you can see that already. And I got this part left. I'm gonna just do this part to show you, but I'm gonna do the rest in a little bit. So this is what I have here, my hair. And I have done my whole head, if you can see. And yeah, so I already put my hairs in. I like to keep I don't do this a lot. I interlock my hair every 2.5 months or so, just depending on what I'm doing. If I'm doing an event, if I'm singing, or because I sing, if I'm doing something where I have to have my hair looking, good, I go ahead and freshen it up. But other than that, if I'm just home, as you can see, no lint. And I wear scarves and stuff on my head, so I try to use things that not going to cause lint to be in my locks or locks. So my hair is quite healthy. I just washed it the other day, so I said I'm gonna go ahead and freshen up these roots. Okay, so I did that. My edges are not as thick as I want them to be. However, look, I be rocking, and I go ahead and put that gel on it. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do this interlock. So you can see. So for me, I go like this. I stick it in, and I hook it on to the hook there, and I close it. But because my hair is so soft right there at the end, my lock is not hard at all. My locks are very soft, to be honestly. So I stick it in, and I carefully bring it through there. Let's see if I can put this over. Oh, it's not gonna stay. I carefully put it through there. See? And I bring it through. And see, I just went up north over there. Well, north would be there, but this is my north. So I bring it over to here, and I have a slight hole there, which you don't want. So because I don't have I had one new growth in the back than I did in the front. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and go this way. Bring it in there. And the main thing is just to make sure you close your lock up. Don't have a hole left. I go ahead and hook mine on there because I like for my lock to stay. You just carefully bring it through, as I just did. And there you go. You see how that is closing up right there? There's no hole or anything. And because it's just sitting up there, now I'm gonna go like this And I'm gonna kind of go that way, kind of like right up in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hook it onto there, and I'm gonna bring it down. Ooh. There you go. And so you see I brought it through there, and so now you just want to bring it down, and boom, it's all closed. And now it's closed. And depending on how you want your hair to lay, I like for my locks to lay a certain way when I first do it. So actually this is not as tight as I want it to be. And I know how, you don't go real tight, but go as what you can stand. And I know for me, I think I may go for this one more time. And because I want it, I'm gonna go this direction right here, because I want to close it up a little bit more. Now everybody had their own way of doing it. I'm not a professional, but I'm doing my hair. So, and okay, so I can bring it in one more time. Uh-oh, sorry guys. My hair kind of slipped right off. I wasn't able to, because my hair's so soft at the end, I wasn't able to kind of grab, oh, there it goes. So you just grab it in, and if you can see how my hair is just rolling right through it, and boom, there you go. There's still no hole. So as you can see, there's no hole there. It's completely closed. And there you go. Your lock is interlock. And you can see there. You can see through my hair there. You see through all that? Yeah. Okay guys, so that's how you do that interlock there for the ones that's trying to interlock. And there you go. All right guys, bye.